Welcome to this technical guide on the Thermomix TM31. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Thermomix TM31 is making a horrible grinding noise, it's likely due to worn or damaged blades. This issue can occur from regular use, and if left unattended, it may lead to further damage or even complete failure of your appliance. So, addressing this promptly is crucial to keep your Thermomix functioning well. For this repair, you will need a screwdriver, a replacement blade set, a pair of pliers, and some cloth for cleaning up. First, ensure that your Thermomix is unplugged to work safely. Start by removing the bowl from the base and putting it aside. Next, take your screwdriver and loosen the screws located at the base of the blade assembly. Be careful not to strip these screws, a gentle pressure should suffice. Once the screws are removed, carefully lift out the blade assembly. At this point, you'll see the blades that need replacing. Inspect them closely to confirm they are the source of the grinding noise. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To replace the blades, take your new blade set and align it with the assembly. Make sure it fits snugly and securely. Once you have the new blades in place, it's time to reassemble everything. Carefully place the blade assembly back into the bowl and replace the screws. Ensure they are tightened properly but avoid over-tightening, as this may damage the components. Now, reconnect any cables you may have unplugged during the process. Before you close everything up, give the blades a gentle spin to ensure they move freely. Finally, reattach the bowl to the base and plug in your Thermomix. Turn it on briefly to test the new blades and check for any unusual noises. If all is well, you've successfully replaced the blades on your Thermomix TM31. To prevent this issue from occurring again, ensure you regularly check the condition of your blades, and consider cleaning them after each use to avoid residue buildup. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.